Learn English to Gujarati action verbs, to call to pay attention with.
ફોન કરવો.
And.
ધ્યાન આપવું.
Welcome to the verb circus. Hey, you are in the right place if you want useful Gujarati without sounding like a confused potato. Today you will learn action verbs you can actually use. Welcome, brave learner. Imagine this. Your friend plans a chaotic picnic, nobody is organized, one uncle is singing too loudly, and somehow you are the most responsible person there. That means you need verbs. In this chapter, you will learn how to say
ફોન કરવો.
for to call,
પાછો ફોન કરવો.
for call back,
લઈ આવવું.
for bring along,
ભાગ લેવો.
for join in,
સાથે આવવું.
for come along,
આમંત્રિત કરવું.
for invite,
અજમાવવું.
for try out and
ધ્યાન આપવું.
for pay attention. Yes, that is a lot. No, you do not need to panic. Even the imaginary picnic cat believes in you. The picnic disaster begins. Let's jump into a story so the words stick in your mind. You are not just memorizing, you are surviving a social event. It starts with one simple problem: nobody knows where the picnic is. So you decide to
ફોન કરવો.
your friend Maya. To call is
ફોન કરવો.
Maya does not answer because of course she does not. She is probably staring at snacks instead of her phone. So you decide she must.
પાછો ફોન કરવો.
Later, to call back is
પાછો ફોન કરવો.
then your cousin says, should I?
લઈ આવવું.
Some food? Yes, absolutely yes. Bring along the food, the plates, and possibly common sense. Bring along is
લઈ આવવું.
your shy friend stands far away and says, maybe I will just watch. No, my friend, you must.
ભાગ લેવો.
Join in, dance badly, clap off beat, live your life. Join in is
ભાગ લેવો.
then someone asks your neighbor, do you want to?
સાથે આવવું.
Come along is
સાથે આવવું.
it means coming with the group, not appearing mysteriously 3 hours later. Now the guest list grows. Grandma wants to.
આમંત્રિત કરવું.
Everyone, friends, neighbors, a teacher, and maybe the vegetable seller. Invite is
આમંત્રિત કરવું.
at the picnic, somebody brings a weird mango chili ice cream sandwich and says, please.
અજમાવવું.
It, try out is
અજમાવવું.
it might be delicious. It might be a crime. Finally, when the football rolls toward the snacks, everybody shouts.
ધ્યાન આપવું.
Pay attention is
ધ્યાન આપવું.
especially when samosas are in danger. Quick meaning drill. Now you repeat with me in your mind, out loud, or dramatically to the ceiling fan. Short bursts help memory. To call.
ફોન કરવો.
Call back.
પાછો ફોન કરવો.
Bring along.
લઈ આવવું.
Join in.
ભાગ લેવો.
Come along.
સાથે આવવું.
Invite.
આમંત્રિત કરવું.
Try out.
અજમાવવું.
Pay attention.
ધ્યાન આપવું.
Mini dialogues with maximum drama. Here comes the fun part. Listen to these tiny scenes and notice how natural the verbs feel. A. I need to.
ફોન કરવો.
Maya. B. Good idea. She has the picnic address and the only working umbrella. A. She did not answer. B. Then she should.
પાછો ફોન કરવો.
Soon. A. Should I?
લઈ આવવું.
Dessert? B. Yes, and maybe extra dessert for emotional support. A. I feel shy. B. Just.
ભાગ લેવો.
Nobody dances well. That is the tradition. A. We are going to the riverfront. Want to?
સાથે આવવું.
B. Yes, if there are snacks. A. Should we?
આમંત્રિત કરવું.
The neighbors? B. If they bring chairs, absolutely. A. This new game looks strange. B. Let's
અજમાવવું.
it before we judge it. A. What did the teacher say? B. She said.
ધ્યાન આપવું.
Which was fair because I was staring at a bird. Memory tricks that actually work. You do not need magic, but honestly, a little weirdness helps. Strange images make words memorable. Picture a giant ringing phone blocking your door. To get out, you must say,
phone karvo.
Now imagine the same phone rolling back like a boomerang. That is,
પાછો phone karvo.
to call back. See yourself carrying a huge bag of snacks to a party.
લઈ આવવું.
Bring along. Imagine a circle of dancers pulling you into the fun.
ભાગ લેવો.
Join in. See friends waving at you from a bus door.
સાથે આવવું.
Come along. Picture a shiny invitation card floating through the air.
આમંત્રિત કરવું.
Invite. Imagine trying on 10 ridiculous hats in a shop.
અજમાવવું.
Try out. Finally, picture a teacher with giant glowing glasses saying,
ધ્યાન આપવું.
Pay attention. Slightly scary, very effective. Your turn quiz. Okay, superstar, now I ask and you answer. Give yourself 1 point for each correct answer and unlimited points for confidence. How do you say to call in Gujarati?
phone karvo.
How do you say call back?
પાછો phone karvo.
How do you say bring along?
લઈ આવવું.
How do you say join in?
ભાગ લેવો.
How do you say come along?
સાથે આવવું.
How do you say invite?
આમંત્રિત કરવું.
How do you say try out?
અજમાવવું.
How do you say pay attention?
ધ્યાન આપવું.
One last challenge. Let's mix the verbs in one final scene. If you understand this, you are doing great. Your friend wants to.
આમંત્રિત કરવું.
Everyone to a street food night. First, you.
phone karvo.
Your cousin. If he misses the call, he must.
પાછો phone karvo.
You ask him to.
લઈ આવવું.
Drinks. Then you tell your shy friend to.
ભાગ લેવો.
And not hide near the napkins. You ask another friend to.
સાથે આવવું.
With the group. At the food stall, everyone wants to.
અજમાવવું.
A new dish. And when the vendor explains which sauce is extremely spicy, everybody must.
ધ્યાન આપવું.
Because language learning is fun, but accidental super spicy sauce is serious business. You did it. Nice work. You just learned a powerful set of everyday Gujarati verbs. Today you practiced.
phone karvo. પાછો phone karvo. લઈ આવવું. ભાગ લેવો. સાથે આવવું. આમંત્રિત કરવું. અજમાવવું.
And.
ધ્યાન આપવું.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, repeat the words out loud, use them in tiny daily sentences, and come back again soon. You are doing wonderfully, and yes, you now officially deserve imaginary picnic snacks.